If you find yourself banned from Lyft and believe it was unjust, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why you were banned by checking your email or the app for any notifications from Lyft. This information will help you address the specific issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This may include screenshots, receipts, or any communication with Lyft that may help clarify your situation. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. Reach out to Lyft's customer support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the appropriate contact method, such as email or chat, to submit your appeal. Step 4. Write a clear appeal. Compose a concise and respectful message explaining why you believe the ban should be lifted. Include your account details, the reason for the ban, and any evidence you have gathered to support your claim. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with Lyft support. Be patient but persistent, as it may take time for them to review your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban from Lyft and increase your chances of having it overturned. Good luck!